storm has come through the Keys. Right now it's 23-mile winds. It's raining off and on. Let's see what it's like around the park. So it's pretty windy right now. The clam is staying up. It's collapsed once, but let's go check out the beach. All right, it's even more windier down here than it is like by Barat, where there's more of a mangrove shelter. All right, ooh, let's look at this. Definitely a lot choppier. Definitely don't want to be out on the paddleboards right now. Let's go do the pier and the marina area, which is on the other side of the park. Holy smokes. We've never had the wind kick the golf cart around, and it definitely did on the way over here. I am putting the backs on my Crocs just to make sure nothing flies away. It's pretty calm in the marina. I mean, it's windy, but it's pretty calm in here. Woo! So loud! The tide is up really high too. Whew. She's choppy. But we're gonna have a beautiful sunset.